Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mrs. Hill. If you're new here, we are a family of 6 and I am a special education teacher turned distant learning teacher. And so I created this channel to be able to connect with my own students, to be able to give them a story time, some crafts and some ideas for their parents. And I am so blessed to be able to connect with so many more people along this journey. If you have any ideas for us to do on our channel, please comment below. And we are so glad you're here. If you like what you see, please subscribe. We really appreciate you supporting our family on this new journey. So today we are going to be using plastic eggs. We're looking for budget-friendly ideas for spring break. So we are going to be making plastic egg parachutes, a plastic egg charcuterie board for kids, and also toilet paper bunnies that are super cute and you can put around your house for some extra cheer. So let's get started. Hey everybody, so here is our egg carton charcuterie board with plastic eggs. So we are really learning about recycling here. I mean, we are multi-purpose. So we have an old egg carton and we are going through these like crazy. We have plastic eggs, please wash them out. And then my grocery pickup is not until tomorrow, so we are running low on snacks. So what I found in the refrigerator, some carrots, some pepperoni, raisins, some bunny crackers, some wheat thins. And so this is a really good way to get your kids to eat some snacks that normally they wouldn't. You can even put some ranch in there with the carrots or any other dipping sauces, but it's super cute and the kids are going to love it. Our next activity is this cute little bunny made out of the toilet paper rolls. So again, we are recycling and we are reusing. So we just took the toilet paper roll. You can paint it any color you want. A light pink would be really cool. We had white on hand, and so we painted it white. And then while the paint was still wet, we just added some glitter at the bottom, a pom-pom, some eyes, and we drew on a mouth. If you don't have googly eyes, you could draw on the complete face. And then we added some ears. But again, you can cut the ears out of construction paper or white paper if you have it and glue those on. Unfortunately, we're out of cotton, but a cute little bunny tail would have been a nice addition. So just take your roll and those are our bunnies. Let me know if you make one. Remember, you can always cut them down to size. And then our last super fun activity is the egg parachute. So we tried this out yesterday and it works. I don't know what's up with me and coffee filters, but clearly I like them for crafts. So it's inexpensive. It's something we have on hand and we had a lot of plastic eggs. So you can experiment with different straws. If you have thicker ones, you can also tape sticks to the side using masking tape or painter's tape. And then you can go with your kids outside or inside and see whose goes down faster. Does the heavier stick or the heavier straw make a difference in how the parachute floats? You can even put a little army man in there or figurine and see if they can stay in, whose figure stays in the longest. If you have stairs, this would be really cool to drop off the side of the stairs. Unfortunately, we have a ranch style house, so we have no stairs, but we're going to try to go outside and stand on top of chairs or something. And then just pick any egg and just cut it in half. Make sure you tape it, your straws to the side, and then tape it on the inside. And then there it goes. And it works. So let me know how creative you get with your parachutes. And then one more idea. We found out that you can mail Easter eggs. So you have to include a stamp, make sure they're taped up, and you have to be able to fit the address in Sharpie on the egg, and you can mail them just like this. You can add a little bit of grass in there, and a couple of candies that are pre-wrapped, or even just a cute little note and mail them off. But I think any kid would be super excited to get this in the mail. They have to be the jumbo, at least the jumbo size. So I'm going to try to get the camera on here. That's the little egg on the right and the jumbo egg. It has to be at least this size or bigger. And if you're unsure about postage, because I know it changes, you can take them to the post office and they will weigh them for you and give you the correct postage amount. So if it's pretty light, one Forever stamp should do it. But if you want to be sure, then you can take them down to the post office. All right, so just a few ideas. Mail some eggs out, create some fun parachutes with tape and straws and sticks, make a cute little bunny, and then try out an Easter egg charcuterie board for kids. Let me know if you try any of these ideas, and if you like them, link them below and comment below. I can't wait to see all of your awesome art, and I will see you tomorrow with story time. Bye for now.